Hi dear learners, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the difference between implicit and explicit information in a text. To help you understand this concept better, let's use the example of having a crush on someone. When you have a crush on someone, you might explicitly tell them how you feel, or you might try to drop hints and give implicit signals to show your interest. In the same way, text can also contain both explicit and implicit information. Now, let's define these terms. Explicit information is the information that is clearly stated or explained in the text. It's information that the author wants you to know directly without having to infer or read between the lines. Implicit information, on the other hand, is information that is not directly stated, but instead you have to infer it based on context clues or your own prior knowledge. To give you a practical example, let's say you are reading a story about a character who is feeling sad. The author might explicitly state that the character is sad, but they might not explain why. That's where implicit information comes in. You might have to infer the reason for the character's sadness based on context clues or your own knowledge of human emotions. Let's try to make another example. Look at this text. What do you think are the explicit information? The local high school basketball team won the championship. The final score was 70-68, and the winning shot was made in the final seconds of the game. These are the implicit information. The game was important to both teams because they are tough opponents. The game was thrilling and intense because it was a close game. The local high school team played exceptionally well and deserved to win. The losing team was disappointed and may have made some mistakes. By using context clues and reading between the lines, we can infer more information beyond what is directly stated in the text. Just like trying to read the signals of a crush, identifying both implicit and explicit information in texts can be a bit tricky. But with practice and patience, it becomes easier to understand their true intentions. Keep honing your skills in identifying these types of information, and soon you'll be able to decode even the most complex messages with ease. So keep at it and happy reading.